Hey everyone, welcome to Auckland again. This is a new video in here and the last before I travel to Wellington and the next week. So I wanna today introduce you the Mount Eden, the famous volcano in the heart of Auckland. This is what I'm climbing now and I'm gonna show you the beautiful view of this volcano. Today I'm gonna show you the Mount Eden, the most prominent volcano in Auckland City. This volcano was erupted 15,000 years ago, average. We are not sure exactly, but it's about 15,000 years ago. And this is one of the highest volcanoes, one of the highest summit in Auckland. So it's just like 200 meters, 196 meters. So it's quite high for Auckland City. And yeah, I'm with some friends today, so let's go for the visit.
Being here, Mount Eden, close to Auckland CBD. There's so great weather today. Hey, let's see. Look at it. So great view, you know. So beautiful. And if you want to see it, come to here. And here's my friend Taki. Thai. Hi, I'm Taki Thai.
Right.
We're here at Mount Eden. It was a short trip.
Is that your first time here?
No, it's my second time up here. Our first time was like three days ago.
3 days ago? You
Yeah,
came here, right?
yeah, but very early in the morning to see the sunrise. Yeah, it's really worth it to see the sunrise.
Yeah. So, do you enjoy it? Do you prefer the sunrise or the sunset?
I prefer the sunrise because in the morning, you know, wake up early, we're excited.
Where does the sun come from? And from behind?
From yeah, this way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also, it's nice, like the light is coming here.
Yeah.
Like it's very nice to take pictures. Yeah, I guess. Is that your first time, right?
No, it's my second time.
Oh, your second time as well. It's also my second time, but the first time was 2 years ago. I went here in 2016.
2 years ago?
Yeah, because when I lived in Australia, I came here for a trip for 10 days.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So it's my second time in New Zealand. And by the way, in Mount Eden.
I'm hungry. Seriously.
Now it's almost 7 p.m. and we are going to a Japanese restaurant. So what do you want to order tonight?
Ramen.
Ramen?
Tonkotsu ramen.
And you?
Tempura ramen.
Tempura ramen, same like yesterday, is it?
Yeah.
Tempura? Tempura ramen? Tempura? What's tempura?
I don't know.
Tempura is like some fried one.
Ah. Is it with the... No, it's like with the shrimp, right?
Yeah, with shrimp.
The prawn, yeah. Alright, so let's go to Mantats, which is a very famous restaurant in Auckland.
So can you wait?
Yeah, sure.
No worries.
Is that tasty?
Oh yes, I didn't name.
So let's try it then. How is it?
Yeah, good. Lovely, lovely.
I'm eating my ramen.
How's taste?
Very good. How is your dish? Good?
Yeah, my dish really good.
You didn't know that?
So this is tempura ramen. So we frame. Yeah, looks good. Looks tasty. Finish?
I finished it. That's good.
So fast.
That's my habit. Bad habit, yeah.
And some gyoza.
Looks beautiful, man.
Okay guys, thank you very much for watching the video.
I'm
today-
I'm from France.
No, please. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching the video. I hope to see you soon. I will see you next week in Wellington.
Oh.
And at the end of this month, in November, sorry, from the 24th November, I will go to the South Island. So I will see you again for a new adventure. Thank you very much,
Thank you.
everyone. See
Thank
you.
you.
See you.
Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Hey, yes, yes. You don't know this time? Yeah.
No,
I don't know.
give me money.
Okay, see you guys.
You give me your money.